735 marble padlock renovation. Security door, the outside edge is broken. It's gonna need to be repaired. You can see it's gonna be a large trash out. Previous tenant left furniture, household goods, clothes, mattresses, multiple items left in the residence. It's gonna need to be removed. Wooden laminate is coming up in a small section. It's gonna need to be glued back down. The unit's gonna need to be fully painted. Majority of the ceilings and the doors are gonna need to be painted as well. Gonna need AC filter. Dirty. Multiple hairline cracks in the walls and the ceilings. Needs to be repaired. I don't know if you can tell in the video, a possible water leak here. Popcorn is coming down. There's a bubble. And it's soft. It needs to be checked out and repaired. Toilet paper holder is broken. It needs to be replaced. The ceiling's gonna need to be painted. And cracks in the bathroom sink countertop needs to be checked out and may need to be replaced. Refrigerator's laying on the back porch area. And I see no stove. It needs to be replaced. The carpets have wear marks. It needs to be checked out. Markings on the wall. Smoke detector was removed. It needs to be installed. Scratches on the floors. All the blinds are going to need to be replaced. Large hole here in the closet. It needs to be repaired. Another large hole in the wall. Needs to be repaired. And that's about it.